How to activate a Shopeepay wallet. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to activate a Shopeepay wallet. To activate your Shopeepay wallet, the first thing you need to do is open up the Shopee account. After getting into your account, click on your profile icon from the top right corner. Once you see all of your account details, you need to look for banks. So on your left-hand dashboard, you will find the banks and cards option. Then click on it and this will take you to the bank account page, where you can add different bank accounts and credit or debit cards. If you didn't find the wallet option here, hit the help button and it will take you to the Shopee support services team page, where you can search for your query. Simply click on the search bar and search for Shopeepay. Then choose the option of how to activate Shopeepay. Now it will describe to you the detailed process to do that. So follow the steps it describes and then you'll be able to activate your wallet. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.